Want to permanently delete WhatsApp messages or entire conversations? Don't worry. In today's video, I'll show you all the different ways to delete WhatsApp messages and chats. So, let's get started. Delete an individual message first. Open WhatsApp on your phone. Next, open the conversation containing the message you want to delete. Now, press and hold the message. Tap the delete or trash can icon. Here, you'll see different options. Select delete for everyone to remove the message for everyone in the chat. Keep in mind that this option is only available for a limited time after sending the message. Or, select delete for me to remove the message only from your own device. For older messages, you may only see the delete for me option. Delete the entire conversation. To completely remove a conversation from your chat list, go back to the WhatsApp chat screen. Press and hold the conversation you want to delete. Tap the delete or trash can icon. Then, confirm by tapping delete chat. The entire conversation will now be removed from your chat list. Automatically delete future messages. You can also set WhatsApp to automatically delete future messages. To do this, tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Settings. Next, tap Privacy. Scroll down and tap Default Message Timer. Now, choose how long you want new messages to remain before they automatically disappear. You can choose 24 hours, 7 days, or 90 days. After you select a duration, messages in new chats will automatically disappear after the chosen time period. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more practical WhatsApp tips.